We are back, friends, for day number 11 of Craft With Me. This is Wendy with Cannin Plannin, and we are going to head into our coffee card kit today. We're going to do another fun way that you can put together a coffee card kit to say thank you to somebody that you love. Let's take a look, you guys. I have got my coffee card kit supplies. I've grabbed a couple of extras from our coffee deco kit. I had some pieces left over and I want to be able to utilize them, so I grabbed those. A sentiment strip. I grabbed our coffee bean skinny washi tape, a die cut, a bow, and our card things along with some rhinestones. Okay, we're going to make a cute little thank you card. So I'm going to take my adhesive, and the first thing I'm going to do is, again, just attach this piece on to our card base. Again, making sure that it opens correctly. I love, again, our card kits. I love that our papers just make this nice little border. All right, what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to kind of make some flags. And to do that, I'm going to cut this like right here. I'm going to create some, what do you call these? Like the banner edges. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut that down the center, and then I'm going to take it from the tip to the center and then from the tip to the center. So it's going to create this little flag. I'm going to make a couple of these, and when I do that, it's going to layer a little bit, which will add a fun little element of layering on there. And I want to put this one behind, this one in front, cut this one back a little bit, and whoops. And then the last piece that I want to add on there is our thank you card. So I'm going to go ahead and actually cut that right at the edge and make this a very small banner piece. There we go. Little pieces flying all over the place. All right, we're going to go ahead and attach these. Our little banner flags. And we're going to attach the next one a little bit higher. And then our teal one a little bit lower. And then our thank you piece, we're going to put even lower than that. And then we're going to take our little coffee cup, and I'm going to use some dimensions on this one just to make it pop off a little bit. And I'll probably put one down here. There we go. Take these off of here. Add our little coffee cup. And for rhinestones, I'm just going to put 3 of them right here in a line. 2, 3, and I want to add a little bow. Let me grab my little glue dots, attach my bow, curl the sticky pieces back so that they're not sticking out. And we're going to put this right up here at the top. And that is our thank you card. We're going to go ahead and grab this washi tape, this coffee bean washi tape that you can get. It's teal. Where's my stencil? My little stencil. Trim off the edges. And somewhere, there it is. Grab my little sticker sheet and add my little sticker to the back. And that is our cute little thank you card made with our coffee card kit. If you have found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, we will be back, friends, for day number 12 tomorrow.